my name is Thomas and welcome to my lettercraft channel. Today I'm going to show you quite easy, cheap and in my opinion very cool way to pack any of your small handmade goods for your customer. Idea to make this video came when I got your huge engagement and questions such as where you got this or this after I posted simple story on my Instagram where I packed couple of my crafts. Package in general might look like just a trifle, but in my opinion it gives a lot of vibe with your brand for customer when he or she gets it. You can go with it in a very fancy and super cool way, but it all rely on the price. And all the packages I wanted to keep with raw, handmade, sustainable feeling, looking cool, but at the same time not cost too much. And I think I met the criteria with this package. I'm using this type of package since I started selling my crafts in 2016, and this idea I got just in the regular supermarket by seeing packed chocolate. All the things I got online, I'll leave links where you can find it if you would like to have a similar package for your own brand. So I'm using craft paper. This roll I bought couple years ago and it would be enough for me for another couple years. Jute cord, which is made of some kind of plant fibers, cost few euros for a few hundreds of meters at kinda Home Depot store. Wax sticks, these are for hot glue gun, but it also available like a candle style, but with glue gun it's much faster. Wax sticks I'm getting on AliExpress, links I will leave in the video description. Wax stamp with my logo, this one is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch diameter and I got it on AliExpress as well. Also I have this self-inking stamp which I make on the backside. Size of mine is 65 to 45 mm. And as I love stickers, I also add one of these for every order. Want to mention, be aware when you are applying hot wax on your package. It may leave some marks on your craft, depend on what it's made from. But to prevent any impact by hot wax, I just insert piece of leather or cardboard. So that's it. This is how your order will be packed if you will order something from my store strhandmade.com, or there you can find PDF templates for my crafts and make it by yourself. But most likely it won't be packed. Drop a comment how you pack your goods, check other videos on my channel, subscribe, hit the like button and see you next time. Bye! Have you missed some frames with cute cat in this video?